Hi, my name is Ken from Joon.co.ke, and on today's video, I will be showing you guys how you can use Chat GPT to generate your own trading signals in Quotex and to trade them profitably. If you don't have an account in Quotex, there is a link on the description of this video. Go ahead and click on it to create your new account. If you already have an account, log in and watch this video to the end so that you can follow along and learn how to prompt Chat GPT to generate your own trading signals. For those who have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share so that this video can be recommended to as many people as possible looking for ways to generate their own trading signals. Without wasting too much time, let's jump right on it. So let's go to ChatGPT and prompt it to give us some signals that we can use on Quotex. So the first thing that we'll need to do is to prompt ChatGPT by giving it some instructions which it needs to follow to give us signals. So now this is the prompt that I'll be sending to ChatGPT so that it can generate for us signals, and it says, "Hey ChatGPT, using the points format, generate 3 trading strategies that use an indicator for generating signals and an oscillator for signals confirmation. Also give me instructions on how I will spot and use the signals. Remember, I'm a binary options trader, so the strategy must be for 1 minute, trade expiration, 2 minutes or 5 minutes. So once you've written your instructions, send it to ChatGPT and wait to see what it generates. And it is generating. Let's give it a couple of minutes. Now it's done and we have our strategies that we can use on Quotex. To effect these strategies, we'll need to go back to Quotex. So let's switch back to the Quotex trading platform. There it is. So the next thing that we'll need to do is to change the assets that we need to trade. Make sure that you go for the highest and most profitable assets in order to benefit more in terms of earnings. So now that we have our trading environment set up, we are trading for 1 minute. You can change that there. We are trading with $10. You can adjust that to meet your risk test, and we are trading any asset that has a rate of return higher than 80%. So I've chosen USD ARS, and that has a rate of return of 93%. So let's go back to ChatGPT and see the signals that it has generated for us. That was the prompt with the instructions, and these are the outcome that we've gotten from ChatGPT. And it says, sure, here are 3 trading strategies for binary options trading with different indicator dash oscillator combination. So the first strategy uses a moving average and RSI. It says we should use 2 different indicators. We have an indicator that has period 9, and we have another indicator that has a period 21. And for the oscillator, it has picked RSI, and the RSI should have period 14. Okay, so now let's add those indicators to our chart by clicking on the indicators tab and choosing moving average. Then for moving average, we need to have period 9, and we had another one, another moving average. We can use SMA for both of the moving averages, but in case you want to change to any other type of moving average, you can just click on this arrow here and choose either EMA, WMA, SMMA or TMA. We change that to period 21. I hope I'm doing the right thing, but we can just confirm with ChatGPT if it is the same prompt that we got from it. So it was period 9 and period 21, and that is what we have here, period 9, period 21. So now that we've set that up, we also need to set up an oscillator. We had requested that we get an oscillator that we will be using for signals confirmation. So let us go for RSI, which is defined with period 14 on ChatGPT. So the period is 14. Don't change anything on the RSI, just leave it as it is and close that. So the next thing that we need to do is to follow the instructions that we got from ChatGPT for spotting signals. So it says we buy when the short-term MA crosses above the long-term MA and the RSI is above 50. Okay, so in short, what ChatGPT is trying to tell us is that we should buy in case of a crossover. So look at this point here, for example. The short-term moving average, we've changed it to a blue color, and the long-term moving average is the red colored one. And we also need to look at the moving average on the RSI. If it is above 50%, then we need to trade upwards. So how do we tell that the moving average on the RSI is above 50%? Remember, we have two levels on the RSI. This is level 30, and we also have level 70. Okay, so the difference between this and this isn't that much. So the 50 level should be in between the 30 and the 70 level, somewhere here. Okay, so if you see this moving average go closer towards the 70 level, then it means you should buy. For the sell signals, it says we look for a crossover of the shorter moving average and the longer moving average, and we also look for the moving average on the RSI going below the 50 level. So that means that the moving average on the RSI needs to be moving towards the 30 level for that signal to pass. So we'd already seen a crossover here. If you look at whatever the RSI is doing, it's going towards the 30 level, which confirms our signal. So we can trade on that with $100. We can change to $100 and trade downwards. Okay, so I've just placed a sell trade that goes for 1 minute, and we will wait and see what happens in that 1 minute. In the meantime, you can also look at all the other strategies that ChatGPT has generated for us. Remember, we told it to generate at least 3 different trading strategies. So the trading instructions are: enter a call option, that is an uptrend, when the buy signal occurs, and enter a sell when the put signal occurs. So for the second strategy, we'll use MACD indicator and the stochastic oscillator. I'll also show you guys how you can use that to generate your signals. So these instructions are pretty straightforward. If you just follow them and use them on the chart, then you should be able to make profits trading on ChatGPT. So that trade has just closed, and it closed in profits of $93. So when should you stop trading with this strategy? As a seasoned trader, I can tell you that this strategy will also lead to losses if you just continue trading and trading and trading downwards without regard to when to stop. So the right time to stop is when you see the RSI go below the 30 level, which is the oversold level, because then it means that the market may soon reverse and buyers may take over the market and push it back upwards. The same statement is true if you're trading upwards. When the RSI goes above the 70 level, then there is a great chance that sellers will kick in and push it downwards, making all your upwards trades lose in that scenario. So this is a good example. We've already seen the RSI go below the 30 level, and what does it do to price? Buyers are kicking in and price is going back up to stabilize. So that is how easy it is to generate signals for Quotex. You just need to enter your prompt on ChatGPT and allow it to give you some very nice strategies that you can use on Quotex or any other binary options trading platform to trade profitably. Remember, we've not indicated the platform that we want to use these strategies on. So ChatGPT has just given the standard strategies that you can use on any binary options trading platform. If you want to use the same prompt to prompt ChatGPT to give you signals, go to the description of this video and you'll find that prompt there. I'll also leave the link for Quotex on the description of this video. Just click on it and create your new trading account, which you can trade on with the strategies that you get from ChatGPT. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo.